saying that was my fault.
Anyway, my group on tanks.
I'm resing you and you get released from that. Except now.
Someone's gonna have to take the third crystal, so I've got one. In range ones.
After Chris.
Yeah, the one after Chris.
I'll take a star. That's what I'm doing.
Group 2. Attack.
You have 1 minute change? You do, right?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, I'm getting this one.
Group 1 on tanks.
I need someone to take it after me, though.
I got tormented.
Mine resets in 12 seconds if you can hold it for that one.
Who's taking the file?
Just take it from someone fast.
Okay, I've got it, someone needs to take it after Sunken because I've got the torment.
Well, I can do that without it. The whole thing's getting fucked up.
No, it's
Okay, fine.
It's a new rotation completely. Is that
Is
behind?
it the back anyways?
Pixie, we're still on tanks. I got tormented. Generate Pixie.
Hello.
I'm gonna refresh my buff again, I won't be able to take it.
I'm clear. We're going in ranged. I really go on tank.
I got the range one. Someone needs to take it over at 10 seconds.
No, I'll take it after you.
Now.
Who can take the next
Right, my
range?
torment. I'll take the next crystal.
Ranged.
Group 1 on tanks.
I've got it.
Someone spread tormented all over the rate. Every healer got it now.
Someone needs to take it off silent.
Harnarm, go on tank.
Keep focus, guys, 25%. Just talk.
I can take the next crystal. Shit, I think that might be too far away. Okay, I'll get it up.
Please use cooldowns. Every healer got tormented.
Okay, I can't take it upwards anymore because I just got that.
Won't be able to carry cooldown.
Oriental's got it.
Need a melee after me on the next crystal.
Pixie and
20 million
Arden
health
is
cards. Keep
on Soakers. Pixie and Arden
shards
on
to the
Soakers.
left, Hunter.
I got it.
I'll take
get
it after you. Cool.
How about this?
My cooling.
Countdown, don't fail.
Heal silent, heal.
All healers on dork, please.
I'm soaking. I'm gonna die.
Same. I got.
Keep focus.
Just keep nuking, and
Someone
soak.
needs to take the one of
and then soak the crystal.
Someone just
Yeah,
stay
you
next
go.
to them.
Use all cooldowns on dork.
Just stand next.
Fuck, fella.
Oh yeah.
Oh fuck, there
Good
we go.
job.
Fine.
First skill,
Good
yeah.
job.
Uh huh.